Selamat sore. Well, in fact, we had few days to recover the players. For today, we don't have 72 hours after the game, and we must to take care about the physical conditioning and the recovery. But besides that, of course, we are prepared. We know the importance of the game, playing at home, and to reach our target is a very important game. Like I said in the last game, the most important game for us is the next. Then we are facing this game with this kind of importance. It's the mainly game until now, and we have the responsibility to play good and try to find the victory since the beginning.
Oke, sejak pertandingan lalu kita tahu waktu pendek tidak sampai 72 jam kita harus bermain lagi, sehingga kita tim pelatih harus ambil efektif dalam ambil waktu, karena selain kasih pemulihan kelelahan harus juga siapkan tim. Namun itu bukan jadikan alasan, yang penting kita sudah siapkan diri dalam waktu mepet. Kita tahu pentingnya pertandingan besok, karena di head coach kita dia selalu berkata bahwa pertandingan berikut adalah final. Pertandingan adalah final, dan seperti demikian kita sampaikan kepada pemain, pertandingan besok adalah pertandingan penting, atau pertandingan besok adalah penting. Begitu juga pertandingan berikut dan berikutnya. Kita tahu sebagai tuan rumah, tanggung jawab sebagai tuan rumah, dan kita tahu setelah hasil kita kemarin akan alangkah baik kita bisa lebih baik lagi supaya kita bisa melangkah di papan atas.
Yes, good afternoon. Like the coach said, it's a very short time to prepare, but we are ready as a team. We have a good group, good squad, and we're playing tomorrow at home. We want to reach the 3 points, the first victory at home, because we have a big ambition.
Fanny berkata bahwa memang waktu pendek, cara yang pendek, namun secara tim semua pemain tahu tanggung jawab laga seperti besar seperti apa, dan semua pemain dalam kondisi siap tempur dan berikan yang terbaik.
We are in the sequence of the process. I think the last game against Malut, we played to win. We play enough to win, but in football there is no justice. We just didn't enjoy the opportunities, and Malut had a very good defensive game. But now we are coming from a game away, and it's always difficult to play away. This season the championship is very balanced. You see yesterday 2 draws and many draws during the rounds, and that's the proof that the teams are more qualified, and of course the games will be harder. But the process remains on the good things that we are doing, because Persica did have a characteristic. We always play to win. We always play to win. We always try to play offensive, a proactive game, and that's our characteristic. But in the other side, we have a team, and all the times good teams with good coaches, good players, and it's never easy. And then we are in the process, and we are confident that tomorrow we will get this first victory at home.
Oke, kalau kita bicara kita sedang di jalur yang benar. Dari laga ke laga kita punya proses yang sangat besar. Kalau kita kembali ke laga terakhir lawan Malut, kita tahu Malut punya cara bermain pertahanan yang kuat. Namun bukan dari secara hasil, memang kita tahu hasil drama. Namun secara kalau kita lihat, kita kuasai pertandingan, namun gol belum tercipta. Di laga terakhir lawan Barito kita semua tahu hasil siapa. Dan kita punya ciri khas adalah bagaimana kita menyerang. Kita punya ciri khas menyerang, Dan di pertandingan terakhir kita semua tahu kedua tim tapi menyerang. Kita harus tahu bahwa lawan juga punya kualitas yang bagus. Ya. Namun kita yakin dan percaya dengan grup kita bahwa kita sudah jauh lebih benar dari pertandingan dari pertandingan berikut ada perkembangan yang signifikan. Kita berharap besok lebih baik daripada yang pertandingan lalu.
Of course, Persita is not the same team that the last season. They changed a lot. They changed the coach. They changed many things, new players, and the purpose is kind of different. I think this team play more in transitions than the last season. Last season they have another players, Argentinian players who played with Ramiro. Vidal was important player, and we draw in Tanguera and we draw at home to draw. And I remember that Ramiro scored, and now Ramiro is playing to us. And my desire that I hope he will score again. He's in a good moment. He scored twice in 4 games. It's a good average, and for sure he's an important player. But for us, the most important thing is the team. Not only Ramiro, because Ramiro is part of the team. But if Fanny score, I will be happy at the same time, at same way. And we are facing the game as a team. And then we must pay attention. Persita is a good team, play good in defense, have a good transition on an attack, have good players. But if we play focused, we have conditions to do a good game and reach the victory.
Oke, seperti coach katakan tadi bahwa Persita sekarang berbeda dengan tahun lalu. Bahwa tahun lalu, contoh Ramiro ada di sana, ada Vidal juga, mereka sangat berbahaya. Dan sekarang Persita dengan pelatih baru, dengan materi pemain yang baru, dan mereka berbeda. Mereka adalah tim yang kuat dalam bertahan dan cepat dalam transisi. Itu yang kita perlu waspada. Namun demikian, kita perlu waspada seluruh pemain Persita. Karena akan mereka bermain secara tim. Tapi secara individu, yang penting bagaimana kita bisa atasi tim secara seluruhnya tanpa dijelekkan si A, si B atau si lain. Karena mereka secara materi, mereka punya materi yang bagus. Dan soal cetak gol besok, kita berharap Ramiro bisa on fire besok, bukan Ramiro saja, tapi semua bisa, seperti coach katakan, bisa Fane yang jadi gogan besok, bisa menjadi pahlawan buat kita. Tapi yang paling penting secara tim siap tampil dan menunjukkan performa yang bagus dan dapatkan hasil yang bagus.